Hermit, Nine of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, the Tower. These terms have infected the minds of many and sparked people with obsession, constantly hearing about third parties and karmic situations, chasing individuals who left you for dead.
You can say what you want. Have you not seen things come into fruition? We bring back information from the spiritual realm and help you make calculated decisions.
Any and everything is in the spiritual realm. Last time that I checked, divination and Christ don't mix. So what spirit are you getting your information from?
For those who are seeking familiar spirits, they know what you like and who you are. They send us information, and we bring it to you.
Makes sense. Welcome to game time. Let's play. Hey, y'all taking me? Ooh, it's so cold up in here. Come on, I'm ready to go. Here we go.
You have engaged in divination for quite some time, so why the sudden change? We have access to your past, present, and future.
You know a few things, but God knows all. You familiar spirits do not know the future, but you do know my past and present. You entities are not my friends. What do you gain out of this?
Good answer.
We will continue to encourage more individuals to push further away from God, leading them down this path of having faith in these cards.
Tarot cards carry heavy loads of anxiety, false hope, depression, waiting on people and things that don't happen, manifesting things back into your life that really was no good for you in the first place. Who you playing with?
Bonus round. Good luck.
You have used tarot cards for guidance as well, so who are you to judge? You are far from innocent, and have used divination to proceed on your path. Now you want to talk about God?
Let no one be found among you who consigns a son or daughter to the fire, or who is an augur, a soothsayer, a diviner, a sorcerer, one who casts spells.
I wouldn't do that.
This journey is yours. Remember, you will lose people in the process. Self-care to your soul is greatly needed, and man will fail you time and time again.
So what about those who were born into these belief systems? Just because someone believes something different doesn't make them a bad person.
Very true. However, now that you know truth, you can't go back. Well, you can. But you and I both know it would be very difficult. And your job is not to try to change others, but allow God to give them wisdom and the free will to change.
I know, I got a lot of work to do myself. But where y'all taking me?